This is Realme GT Neo 3T, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to begin with, connect your device to Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store, sign in if necessary. In here type in the Opera query. Once the needed app is found, let me quickly uninstall it. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for it to get, well, respectively downloaded and respectively installed. Now we can go ahead and launch the app. While opening it for the first time, you will need to undergo a very simple, short setup procedure. So tap on the blue continue button, decide whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser app from the start. No, not worry, you'll be able to do that later on as well. And finally, at this page, you can either customize the permissions and accesses that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.